Hi everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. Hope you all are doing all right. So guys, today we're gonna be making spinach with chicken. It's not like you have to add chicken even if you don't want to. You can make your spinach plain. You can add potato. You can add any kind of meat that you like. So first I'm gonna just cut my spinach and wash nicely before boiling it. So this is the size that we need. Okay, I washed my spinach 3 times. Now I'm gonna just boil it. You don't need to add water. Boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, spinach is done. Now I'm gonna just put in strainer and let it cool down completely. Okay, now I'm going to blend my spinach. You don't need to blend until it's paste, just a little bit. Okay, done blending. This is how it should be. You see, it's not paste, just to cut there and there to make it even more smaller. Okay. Okay, now we're done blending spinach. We're going to set aside and I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredient. The ingredient we need: chicken about 200 gram, onion, this is 1 large onion, tomato about 2 medium, quarter cup of oil, this is turmeric powder, vegetable spice, chili powder, butter is optional, salt, chicken stock, ginger garlic paste about 1 tablespoon, and some green chili. Okay, my pot is already hot. I'm going to add oil and onion. I'm going to fry this onion until it's starting getting brown. Then I'm gonna add my ginger garlic paste and fry together until it's nicely light golden. Okay guys, as you can see, the onion is nicely light golden. I'm going to add my tomatoes and spices. Okay, now I'm going to mix everything together and cook the tomato until it's soft. The tomato is nice and soft, as you can see guys. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm going to add my chicken and mix it well. Okay, after everything is well combined, I'm going to cover the pot and slow the flame. I'm going to just give steam for about 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, as you can see guys, is actually boiling. I'm going to open the flame and fry on high flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the water is completely finished. I'm going to add my spinach. Okay, in high flame, continue cooking the spinach. Don't cover the pot. Continue frying because there's a lot of water in the spinach. And then you're going to notice your spinach is going to change the color to a brownish color. It's that moment you can say, okay, I'm almost there. So yeah, now it's brown, as you can see. The consistency also, you when you touch with spoon, you will notice the shine, and it's not sticky too much in the pot, as you can see guys. So now it's done. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to slow the flame and cover to just allow the oil to separate with spinach. Okay, so now it's done. As you can see, the oil is it's on the side. So yeah, it's done, it's done. So now I'm going to actually put in the plate and add some butter. It's optional guys. If you don't like butter, that's okay. So I'm going to add my butter and it's done. If you did like this video guys, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, share with family and friends, and comment down below. Share your ideas, and bye bye.